Good morning, students. Welcome to our English literature classes. In my previous term, we talked briefly about the lesson Jane Eyre. This is our fifth lesson, Jane Eyre, and its protagonist was Jane. And we also touch a little her life and, of course, the writer of this classic novel or extract, that was Charlotte Bronte. So from this day we shall start to read this story by its sequences. That will be first, Welcome to Lowood, next one, Hard Times, and after that, A Deadly Springtime. These all time period connected with the life of Jane Eyre in different era. So we are taking our first sequel, Welcome to Lowood. So students, this time shows a new beginning of this girl's life when she went for her further education to Lowood Institution. Firstly, I would like to recall you all that Jane is an orphan child who spends her life with her uncle and cruel Aunt Reed, and here Jane is suffering from pain and negligence of her relatives at her aunt's house, aunt's custody after her uncle, and he was a wise man. And finally, after all this painful life, she sent to a new place, that was this is an institution, the Lowood Institution. Okay, so I am founder of you than all of the others. At last, Jane is to go to school. Bessie helps her to get ready. She is very kind. Jane is sorry to be leaving her. So students, this is a scene shows in here that Jane finally just going to shift to her new school, and of course that would be a boarding school. This is a kind of a hostel, okay, that was running on charity. So here in this first picture, only Bessie helps her to do all preparation for a departure, and she is not like others in the house. She was a kind lady, merciful lady for Jane always, and she's a maid here. In this picture, Jane also shown her affection. You can see here she is just showing her affection from her eyes to Bessie, and that she never forget her in her life. Is that clear? Goodbye to Gets Head. She is just thinking in herself. What? That is goodbye to Gets Head. Jane is to travel alone by coach. It's a long journey, 50 miles. When Jane reaches her new school, Lowood, she is exhausted and night has fallen. So here, students, in our second footage, here Jane was ready to go from this Gets Head house, and only just her maid Bessie and other servant came to say her goodbye to a little girl here, and she has to just move alone from here to her destination in a coach, like a cart pulling through two horses by his master. So she has to cover alone at least 50 miles It is almost 80 kilometers far from this place. So this journey makes her tired, exhausted, and also the night has just become darkened. In third sequence here, at Lowood, a servant comes to meet Jane Eyre. You can see here, she finally reached there. Okay, and feel after this picture, you all can see and feel after this picture that how alone she was there, nobody with her now. And now she reached to her new school, Lowood, and a maid here, you can see this is a maid, came out to take her inside. So she's confirming here, she's asking the name, is she Jane Eyre or not? She's asking the name of the child. Fourth one, we are taking our fourth picture. Inside, Jane is met by two teachers, young and kindly Miss Temple and Miss Myler, who is older and careworn. Okay, she is very young to be sent alone. She had better be put to bed here. And Miss Myler leads Jane through a classroom full of girls. So these are the three pictures we are going to illustrate now. So my dear students, in our fourth picture, this one, this is a scene of inside of the school, and two teachers was approaching with the Jane Eyre. One is the Miss Temple, okay, and Miss Temple is a kind and a young lady, and Miss Myler, the other one, was older and careworn. You can see here, careworn. That means to be looking tired, exhausted, kind of unhappy lady. Okay, so she was looking like. Okay, now here Miss Myler thinking for the poor girl. She is just thinking here. You can see the clouds are here, thinking clouds are here, that the poor girl, that this is very hard to just think that a young girl sent out here alone from a very far enough place. So she supposed to be very unsafe to just come alone like this in the dark night. And she also just wants to provide a bed to rest after that all hard journey for Jane Eyre here. Okay, she's just thinking all about the girl. Is it clear now? Okay, so this is the picture fifth here. Now this picture, in this scene, Miss Myler took Jane to her new classroom. This is a big classroom, a wide place. Okay, so Miss Myler took Jane to her new classroom. That was a huge one, and it was full of, you can see, full of girls, because this is a girls hostel, girls school. Okay, this one a girls hostel kind of. So it is full of girls. They all are studied here in Lowood. Is this clear? Now this picture we are going to take. She gives Jane some supper of cold water and oat cake. Then she shows Jane to her bed in a large dormitory in this scene. So here we can easily see in this scene that no one is happy. You can see all faces of girls, they are not happy. all are unhappy. Every student was just looking very sad, gloomy. So in this hall, this teacher, Miss Myler, you can see this is the teacher, Miss Myler, served some cold food. She's serving something here. So this is a kind of cold food, that is supper. Okay, to her, that was a oat cake. That is an oat cake. What is oat cake? That is a ground up oat grain mixed with water, then baked, okay, into a hard dry biscuit kind of bread kind of. So this is oat cake, and that was not a tasty fresh eatable food. Even in this winter, chilled winter night, food was not even hot. So in the last section of picture, here this is the last section of picture. So Jane just thinks, weariness, the first word here, weariness, too tired even to dream. Jane goes to sleep exhausted. So there is a word weariness, this one, to indicate what it is indicated, an extremely tired person. This is not written in red, you can see. Okay, this is not written in red, but it's a kind of new word. So you can write and include it in your word meanings, new words. Okay, the students. So here Jane just, she's here, seems to be a very tired person, very exhausted, and she just only wants to go to the bed, because she has been covered at least 80 kilometers, and after that all, she did not eat food properly, because neither food was good nor it was warm also. So students, this was the very first look and experience of her in new school. It seems very gloomy, and nobody just seems happy in that place, not even the teachers also, exceptly Miss Temple. So students, we will just meet in our next class of English literature, and to discuss more about this chapter. So till then, just keep earning just knowledge, and read a chapter, go through with my videos. Thank you very much.